And so they would feel better for a while, but then something else would happen and they would feel common again. Like the day they met an ant. The ant was smaller than either of them, but on his shoulder was a big pine cone. They were amazed at the strength of the ant. "My!" Wormy exclaimed. "How do you carry such a big load?" "It's how God made me. He made me strong." And off marched the tiny ant with the big load. That night, Hermie and Wormy asked God, "Why can't we be strong like the ant? We could never do what he could. Why did you make us so common?" God's answer was the same as always. "Don't worry, Hermie and Wormy. I'm not finished with you yet. I'm giving you a heart like mine." And they felt better, at least until they saw a snail. One afternoon, the sky opened up and the rain drenched the ground. The two friends hurried as fast as they could to find a dry place. Suddenly, they heard a low, scratchy voice. "Looks like you're in a hurry." Hermie and Wormy stopped. They looked all around, but saw no one. "Did you hear something?" Hermie asked. "I did," Wormy replied. That's when Hermie saw the head of a snail peeking out of his shell. "Look, Wormy, over there, by that rock." "Greetings," said the snail. "Looks like you're trying to get out of the rain." "We surely are," Hermie answered. "We're getting soaked." "You need a house like I have," said the snail. "That's your house?" Wormy asked. "It sure is. Watch." And with that, the snail pulled his head into his shell. "See, it's nice and dry in here. I take my house with me wherever I go." His voice echoed. The two friends were discouraged. They wondered why God hadn't given them a neat house like the snails.